What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Friday. So today I'm going to go over my dividends that hit the portfolio for this week. I'm going to show you guys how much I made and how the portfolio is doing to end another week in the stock market. So keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button to support me here on my investment journey on YouTube. So thank you all so much for the support. So today is Friday, May the 23rd. Another week is over in the stock market. Keep in mind, Monday is Memorial Day, so the stock market will be closed. Let's head on to Robinhood. I'll show you guys how the portfolio is doing and what I've been buying and stuff like that. And like I said, we'll go over the dividends, show you guys how much I made. So I'm always going to be very transparent with you guys, not going to hide anything. I'm always going to talk about what I'm buying, what I'm selling, how much I'm making, etc. So right now the portfolio is at $53,134.33, down $981 for the day. After hours up $34.71. So buying power, you guys can see margin used. I've used $23,000 of margin. I have a margin status of low risk, and my margin buffer is at 52.59%. So I don't want to use too much margin because then I could get a margin call if things turn sideways. So just trying to be, strategic with the margin and not over leveraging. So as I stated in my past couple of videos, I'm going to try to get YMAX to 1,000 shares. I only need 8 more shares to go. And then that's about it. I'm not going to buy any more YieldMax ETFs. I'm going to stick to more stable ETFs and growth from here on out. So right now, YMAX, I am down 24%. And around this price range, I'll probably get the next couple of shares in the next week or so. So I'll be at 1,000 shares soon, and then I'm going to leave it to see how much I get paid over time with YMAX, as well as YMAG and QDTE. I don't plan on adding any more shares to those. What I have been buying is more shares of QQQT from Defiance. 150 shares, I'm down 2%, down $79. More SPY-T. This one tracks S&P 500, 131 shares, I'm down 6%. And I did buy more shares of JetB, so I'm at 8 shares now, and I am down 0.18%. Bought more shares of GPIX at 7 shares, I'm down 0.38%. IQQQ from Pro Shares, I have 7 shares now, I'm up 0.99%. And bought more shares of GPIQ, 6 shares, I'm down 0.42%. iSpy from Pro Shares, I got 4 shares. I'm down 0.32%. JebQ, I got 2 shares down. I'm up 2.18%. All right. So those are the ones I've been buying, as well as more XPay. XPay, I got 72 shares now. I'm down 1.95%, down $74. So around this $51 range, I've been buying more. Bought another share of ADC, Agree Realty. I'm up 0.98%, up $11. Bought 1 share of MSFY. I'm up 1.25%. That one tracks Microsoft from Curve. And that's about it for second week. Third week, I've been continuing to dollar cost average into AAPY. This one tracks Apple. I'm down 13%, down $3.74. And bought 1 share of Goop. I'm up 0.176%, up 86 cents. And then for fourth week, bought more shares of FEPI. I'm going to try to get FEPI to 100 shares. I'm down 6.92%. And then AIPI, got more shares of that, 72 shares. I'm down 7.83%. Bought more shares of IWMI from NEOS. This one tracks the Russell 2000, 10 shares. I'm down 0.43%. Bought more shares of the real estate high income ETF from NEOS. I got 8 shares. I'm down 0.92%. QQQI from NEOS. This one tracks the NASDAQ 100. At 7 shares. I'm down 0.84%. And and bought more of the Wisdom Tree US Large Cap Dividend Fund. 6 shares, I'm down 0.7%. XYLG, this is from Global X, S&P 500 Cover Call and Growth ETF. I got 6 shares, down 0.94%. I'm down 0.94%. PEY, I know this is a lot of buying. Invesco High Yield, I got 5 shares, I'm down 0.14%. DIVO picked up 1 more share, I'm up 0.89%. QYLG, I got 5 shares, down 0.63%, down 86 cents. QDVO, 2 shares, I'm up 0.08%. And I think that's about it as far as buying. All these other ones, I just got like fractional shares. But I am up on some of these, so that's good. And obviously, SCHD and the VOO, I'm always buying fractional shares of those. So that's where I'm at, guys, with buying and what I'm holding in the portfolio. Now let's go on to the dividends, and we'll add up the numbers real quick. So we'll go over dividends from, you guys can see these are all my payers. We'll go over dividends from, I believe it's from the 19th all the way to the 23rd. Today's the 23rd, so 19th to the 23rd. And we're going to start off with Goop, 35 cents. I think I added them up earlier, actually. So here it is. I did add all of them up earlier. So 35 cents. You guys can see I added the numbers up here. My calculator, $26.25 was from APY. PEY gave me 10 cents. IYRI gave me 13. BTCI from Neos gave me 32 cents. IWMI gave me $1.16. QQQI gave me 9 cents. SPYI gave me 18 cents. YMAG 124. Nvidia with the big payer $596. YMAX 183. And then QDTE to end the week is $20.62. So the next ones are for next week. QYLG and XYLG are 3 cents and 15 cents. So all those numbers combined for this week came out to $953.79. So that's pretty darn good because of Nvidia, which gave me $596. So that was the big payer for this week. And not bad, over $900 in dividends. Can't complain with that. I usually take out 30% for this for taxes. So I multiply this by 0.30. That's $286. And then the rest I reinvest it to buy more stocks and stuff. So yeah, guys, that's pretty darn good. Nvidia came out pretty big with that dividend, $596. And then for next week, we're going to have obviously the weekly ones, the weekly payers, YMAX, YMAG, QDTE. And then I believe we're going to look at FEPI, AIPI, and I believe NFLP is going to be from Curve. I don't have too many shares of that. And from Yield Max is going to be Coney. So Coney, YMAX, YMAG, QDTE. So that's 3, 4 with Coney. FEPI, AIPI. That's 5, 6. And I believe that's it. And maybe DIVO would be 7. NFLP would be 8. So a couple of pairs next week. We got a decent amount, but it's probably not going to be a lot because some of the stocks that I have that are paying for next week, I only have a couple of shares. So I'm going to focus on building those up and see how it plays out in the long run. So over $900 in dividends for this week, guys. So wanted to share that with you guys. Wanted to share the progress. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter. Check out my links down below. And if you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely use my link and you guys get a free stock. So appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.